Have you ever tried Dubai chocolate? Even I have never tried this Dubai chocolate, but I have heard that this Dubai chocolate tastes delicious. When I discovered that this chocolate can be prepared easily, I decided to make this version at home myself. I tried it for the first time, and I was surprised to see that it came out very well. Do try it and share your views with me in comment box. First of all, I made a fine paste of 135 grams of pistachio. Then I took 100 grams of kataifi and cut it using a sharp knife. Kataifi is basically shredded pastry dough used in Middle Eastern desserts, like nafeh. It comes in long strands, so you have to chop it up to make it easier to fry on a skillet. I added 2 tablespoons butter with kataifi and gently roasted on low flame. Then I added the pistachio paste which I had already prepared earlier. Then I added 3 teaspoons tahini paste. Cook these ingredients, stirring constantly until light brown and crispy, about 10 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons virgin coconut oil. Sprinkle salt and mix, then turn off flame and let the mixture cool. You can see how perfect and unique Dubai chocolate has come out. This homemade imported chocolate was liked by everyone in my family. If you've never tried the viral Dubai chocolate bar, this is the time to do it. This recipe is fairly simple to make at home. Go collect the ingredients and make this chocolate and surprise your lovely family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.